that we have been monitoring occupancy of our trains, and some of the trains they were really over-occupied, and some waiting list was there. Now, considering all these things and considering the COVID situation, we are going to notify today 80 trains, 40 pairs of trains, and the list of those trains will be notified right now, and we will be sharing the copy with you. And those trains will start running from 1 week from today, that is 12th of September. It will start from mid of 11th, 12th night. So 12th early morning, 12th midnight, these trains will start. And all these trains will be special trains, and they will be reserved trains, and their reservation will start from 10th of September. So two dates are important. Trains will start from 12th of September, and reservation will start from 10th of September. So these two dates are important. Then one more thing I wanted to add, that we are monitoring occupancy of all these trains, and after notifying these trains, we will continue to monitor occupancy of these trains. And we have decided that wherever occupancy of any particular train increases, and there are more numbers of waiting lists, and those trains are having waiting lists for more than a week or 10 days, passengers are not getting reserved seat in that train. So for those trains, we have decided that based on the real-time monitoring, and whenever required, we will be running clone trains, something like duplicate trains, and those clone trains will run in advance of the existing train. The point which I am trying to say, that we will be monitoring all these trains, and wherever we feel that waiting list is for a longer duration of time and there is a demand for that particular train, so we will be running a clone train which will run ahead of existing train, so that passengers can book ticket in that train, so that that particular train the waiting list is not there. So that is our effort. So in a phased manner, we will be monitoring these trains, and wherever it is required, we will be we will be notifying these clone trains.